Okay, the first thing I do is I put things in alphabetical order. So BC is fine, A minus B is fine, A minus C is fine. The next term, I'm noticing is a plus sign, and this would be CA, but I'd write down AC. And then when you get in the bottom, well, the B minus C is fine. Unfortunately, the B minus A is not fine. So I factor out a minus 1. And since I'm factoring minus 1, I'll just change the sign. This is going to be A minus B. That's fine. Okay, AB is fine. Oh boy, C minus A is not fine. I have to factor out minus 1. And C minus B is not fine. I'd have to factor out a minus 1. Well, if you factor out two minus 1s, that would be a positive. So it's still going to be the same as A minus C and B minus C. Now, one thing I want to point out over here is that I need a common denominator. So I definitely need a factor of A minus B. I definitely see a factor of A minus C. And I see a factor of B minus C. So the LCD is just really simple to write down. Now what I have to do, I have to also put the top down, which means I got to put the builder in without writing it down. It's too much writing. So BC, and what's the missing factor from the bottom? B minus C. Then it's going to be minus AC. What's the missing factor from the bottom? It's going to be A minus C. Then what do I get? Well, I'm looking at it. I got AB, it's positive. And then what do I get? What's the missing factor from the bottom? It will be A minus B. All right, I'm happy for you. If you get here, this is good news. All right? So if you got here, that's great news. Now, someone can say, what am I going to do now? I'm exhausted, all that work. It's not much work, actually. What you're going to do is you're going to multiply out the top and the bottom. All right? So that's what I would do. You might see, I'm going to do something different. That's fine. There's plenty of things else you could do. I just see this thing as a multiplication problem. If you multiply the top out, my claim over here is going to get this. And if you multiply the bottom out, you get the same exact thing. All right? What do you get over here? It's equal to 1. All right, let me remind you, I make mistakes. What are you going to do? If you see a mistake in the written document, please reach out to me. My name is Ron Bannon. My email address is Bannon, that's B as in boy, the @ symbol, NNON.US. Again, we're looking for suggestions or comments that'll make the written document better. Thank you.